You subscribe. If there's an issue, you won't be able to. You have a campaign going. At this point, we have a campaign going. So I just added one in a different device. Paste. Remove the S. Search. If you see it, say, hey, I'm going to give you 2 coins to test you. Save. Click OK. It's going to say the campaign is running successfully. I'm actually going to close out this campaign because it's in a different device. And we'll come back and see how it goes. And in return, we go over here. And as you see, we have 90 points. You get a chance to go through different people accounts. Well, it'll tell you congratulations, you got your points. You can randomly view people accounts.
Ooh, I like this one. Top Hatter is an app with auctions that last 90 seconds.
Ads usually pop up for about 5 seconds. So I'll go to one that I like. I actually look for ones I like. How to download any paid app from Google Play Store for free. So I'll say, okay, do I want auto comment? I don't know what it might say. Once you hit play, you need to be on for at least 1 minute.
Somebody, yeah, that's my Maserati going ham. No salami, that's your chick. If I like it, then I'm straight. Boat garden in a club where the bottles that rose.
Hey, what's up? RH Destination is back with another tutorial video. In this video you are gonna know how you can download any paid app from Google Play Store for free. Let's go straight to the video.
First, let's check in paid app from the Google Play Store.
I like to watch it.
Now I am searching for Greenify.
Gradually, you finish watching the videos of the other YouTube creator, your reward corresponding coin number plus 10. And look and see how long
Now
you're trying
go
to
to
keep me here.
Blackheart. The link is in the description. Now I am searching for Greenify.
You hit back. Head over to my campaign. I don't see my views yet. So that means someone hasn't found it of interest just yet. So you say to yourself, let's add one more just in case. So we come over here to videos. And I just added all these videos just to get a chance to show people what they can do from scratch. So over the next few weeks, you'll watch the transformation of the videos. The viewers, different accounts, different programs. This one I'm going to hit with 8. Nope, 7. So as you see when we came back, we have 2 new views. So now that we have 2 views, we know it tells us, it just doesn't tell us we have 2 views. There's more to it. You hit the status, come on in here, and it tells you who viewed you. Now, to me, I would not. Some marketers could take it another step take down the email, send them a message, say, hey, I saw you viewed, if you're interested, ... But I think that's like violating an extra boundary. So the most important thing you must do with these advertisements is include what you're offering, include who you're offering it to. I subscribe to her, so it's going to tell me I already subscribed, so I cannot do it again. So now I say, I'll come over here, do it again, get me some more points. I can't subscribe to her, so that means she probably has an error. Oh, nope, I'm in time limit, 51 seconds. So let's come over here, see if we see anything else of interest. I always say look for something of interest. This way, when you're signing up, to school. So I'll keep this one open, and in the meantime, you'll see yourself right here. So you see my ID, you'll see my email. You'll actually see my second episode up here. Now let me show you another trick. If you clicked it and you watched your video, hello, good day, and welcome. This is Fiat Exclusive, represent Exclusiveness, LLC. And the goal for today is what will be the expectations of episode 1 for Exclusiveness itself. I'm live. Bear with me. I'm doing this completely unscripted. And as I am not a podcaster or usually a professional speaker, this is still weird for me, even though I'm the only one in the room. So, I hope you are getting a chance to tune in, and let's get this going. So, the first thing I want to discuss is, what am I expecting to do with Exclusiveness, LLC? I just made my points for watching my video, and I just hit next.
Your letter has arrived.
Another
An
ad.
exciting adventure is about to begin. The choices you make will define your Hogwarts story. What kind of witch or wizard will you be? Choose your house and learn from your favorite professors.
I'll close it out now. Am I going to watch it? Yes, I will, but in a second. What I like to do first is go back, check out the campaign. I didn't get views from mine because it's me. So this shows you that you have to be okay. See, the same person kept watching it. He actually went back to it to learn more. It gives you a better idea. See this? He actually came back to it. This gives you a better idea if somebody's interested. Reason being is they can choose what they choose to look at. So now you know you're in here. I'm going to subscribe. Got my points. Head back on over.
Congratulations.
Mute the ad. Howdy, Harry Potter. How are you? Time's up. You only need 5 seconds in the ad. I'll come back to it. So it's still running. But as you can see now, what we're going to do is we're going to head over to YouTube now. And you can see it jumped from 5 to 9 now. Okay? And as you see, it wasn't from me. Because